today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Oh, is that wheel going in? Look at that. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Keep going.
Holy shit,
going.
Nit.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going.
There you go. She's in.
All right, wait. $1,500, boys. What do you think? I did get it to start on a jump pack. It actually started right up, surprisingly. But it is fuel injected. It's a 700 Ranger XP 2007. First thing we're going to do is change this battery out. It's completely dead. There is an exhaust leak. Look at how far out that is. Alright, so this was missing a donut. Luckily, he had a new donut because that's where the exhaust leak was. So I got that on. It does need some tie rods, a rear wheel bearing. Hey, for $1,500. Let's see what else we're going to have to put in this thing. Well, it's got 5,400 miles, 900 hours. Not bad. It's got a new air filter, but I don't think the Geico lizard made it. The oil looked like it was just touching the stick, so I topped it off. New battery, but it's the wrong one. It's all Walmart had that I could use. It'll work. And let's try it. Of course, once I see it running everything, I'll change the oil, but I didn't get to really hear it run too long last night. Fingers crossed. Oh, wow. And it moves. Must have it wired for when the key comes on, but I didn't hear it. Oh, it's the radio. Headlights. All-wheel drive works. I can't remember. I haven't had one in so long. Huh. Somebody's knocking.
Keep on knocking, but you can't come in.
So I pull the valve cover, check the valve train, that looks fine. So let's get this motor out of here. Found a good used motor for $800. Got the old motor pulled out. So the motor I just bought has a blue spring on the clutch, which is 1,000 RPM. On the machine, it had a red spring, which is 2,000. I'm going to stick with the blue spring, 1,000 RPM. Put a new motor mount there because I broke it taking it off. New motor put in. Seems alright. Well, let's change the fluid out, boys. AGL is for the transmission. Demand drive is for the front differential with the Hillary clutch. And angle drive is the rear diff. The transmission oil takes almost a quart. That was a little low and a little dirty. There was a little tiny bit of metal on the magnet. So hopefully we caught that in time. Stuff is like purple. Jeez, not much. Holy mackerel. I think I checked it, huh? We're running good. Oh, what we got here? What's up, Mr. Turtle? We're not gonna mess with you. Go find a girlfriend or boyfriend. What's up, Mr. Tortoise? Looking for a girlfriend. Following west, he said it's beer 30. Bit of like sputtering when it's on slight throttle. So this machine comes with a Polaris push bar with a Polaris working winch by Warren. Has a diamond plate roof. I don't know if this is custom or not. It has a radio and speakers. Polaris step side rails, rock rails, whatever you want to call them, both sides. It also has different rims on it that have different offsets, so it looks like they put spacers. The tires aren't in bad shape, a little bit of dry rotting, a lot of tread. I'm gonna run them. They're holding air, so why not just keep them on there and run them. And a 2-inch receiver, which is stock. What is that? Oh, it's just dirt. Looks like new boots on the rear CVs. Fairly new on the back. That one's a brand new one on the front axle. That one's good. This size has a new boot. That one's good. New. That rack boot has a crack on this side. On this side, that's shot. But the rack is still good, so I'm going to clean it out. I ordered new boots for that. Oh yeah, it had this little... And that's about it. Cleaned it up a little. Let me see if I can rejuvenate this. I saw something where someone said paint thinner and boiled linseed oil at a 60-40 mixture will bring back this plastic. We're going to try it. It does have a homemade snorkel put on it. I think I did alright. I did order new vinyl to recover the seat and the backrest. That was only like 50-60 bucks. That's one thing about these Polarises. Say what you want, they may not be as reliable as some of the other UTVs side-by-sides, but man, the parts are cheap and it's very, very easy to work on. Yeah, someone at Polaris is trying to get me. He did that on purpose. Use proper tools. Put a few miles on her. 5,510. 906.9 hours. Next episode we'll rip that motor apart and see what was wrong with it.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on motocheez.com. Thanks for watching.